Hi friends, in the last session we have observed that traversing elements of a list, right? So in the last session we observed the traversing elements of a list. So how many ways we can traverse the elements? By using while loop, by using for loop, and displaying only even numbers by using for loop, and last one, index, displaying elements by index wise. Okay, display elements by index wise. So today we are going to discuss about important functions of list. Okay, today we are going to discuss about important functions of a list, right? Okay, important functions of list. Important functions. Important functions of list. So this is nothing but to get information about a list. To get information about a list. Information about a list. To get information about a list. So first one is a length function. Okay, first one is a length function. Length function is going to returns the number of elements present in the list. Length function, length function is going to returns the number of elements present in the list. Okay, length function is going to returns the number of elements present in the list. Okay, how it is going to returns the number of elements means up to now we have observed many times. Just observe the same example in the previous we discussed. I am showing that only. I am taking some elements in the list. By using length function I am finding here what I am doing, printing length of elements, length of elements in the list, length of elements in the list, length of elements in the list is x. I'm printing. Observe the output. Length of elements in the list is 9. Okay, length of elements in the list is 9. Okay, this is nothing but the first function. This is nothing but first function. Okay, second function. Okay, second function is nothing but count. Second function is nothing but count. Count function is nothing but it returns the number of occurrences of the specified item in the list. Okay, it returns the number of occurrences of specified item in the list. That means it returns, okay, it returns the number of, it returns the number of, okay, it returns the number of occurrences. Okay, it returns the number of occurrences of specified, specified element, specified element, specified element in the list, specified element in the list. So that is first here what I am taking, ls is equal to, ls is equal to I am taking some elements 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3. Okay, I am taking duplicate elements. I am taking duplicate elements. So first what I'm saying, count function means it returns the number of occurrences of specified element in the list. That means first what I'm doing means print ls dot count. Okay, ls dot count of 1. Okay, ls dot count of 1. If I'm going to give 1 means what is the output? 1 how many times? Only one time. Okay, observe how many times? One time. So here how many times we are going to get output? 1. Second point, I want to count the number of elements. ls dot count of 2. Okay, I want how many times elements, how many times elements 2 is repeated. Okay, normally how many times 2 is repeated? Count how many times? 4 times. How many times? 4 times element is repeated. Okay, 4, right? So next, ls dot count, ls dot count of 3. ls dot count of 3 means we know how many times? 2 times. Okay, how many times? 2 times. Suppose my question is, ls dot count. Okay, ls dot count of, I'm asking 5. Okay, I'm asking 5. See here, if a element is there, it is going to represent. If a element is not there means observe carefully, it is not going to return any error. Okay, it is not going to return any error, it is going to return 0. Okay, element is not there means it is going to return 0. Observe carefully. Clear, right? 0 we are getting. Suppose I want ls dot count only direct I'm taking. Means if I'm not giving any parameter, it is going to give error. Okay, it is going to give error. That is exactly takes one argument, 0 were given. Okay, takes at least one argument, 0 were given. Just why I'm showing means if you are not providing any arguments, that time it is going to give this type of error. Okay, it returns the number of elements occurrences specified list. First point. Second point, if the element is not available, if the element is not available, if the element is not available, it is going to return, it is going to return 0, not error. Okay, it is going to return 0, not error. Third point, count function should take, must take one argument. If we didn't give, if we didn't give, if we didn't give any argument, then we will get error. Okay, then we will get error. Okay, then we will get error. Okay, what error? Type error. Okay, then we will get a type error. Okay, so this is nothing but count function. Okay, next is nothing but index. Okay, next is nothing but index. Index function is nothing but returns the index of first occurrences of the specified item. Okay, returns the index of first occurrences of the specified item. That means first point returns the index. Okay, returns the index of the first occurrences of specified item. So observe, I'm taking the same list. Okay, let me write the list. ls is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3. Okay, I'm taking the three elements. Here what I'm taking means first I want to access the index of 1, n dot index of, okay, ls dot index of ls dot index of 1. ls dot index of 1 means it is going to return one element at which position. Okay, one element at which position. So one element is available at which position? 0th position. Okay, so if you want clarity, observe, you're getting 0, right? So in the same way, if I'm going to give, if I'm going to give, if I'm going to give ls, okay, if I'm going to give ls dot index of ls dot index of 2, I'm asking. Okay, ls dot index of 2 I'm asking means see how many times 4 is repeated, but the first occurrence is 1. Okay, if the first occurrence is 1, so it is going to return 1. Print print ls dot index of 3. Okay, ls dot index of 3, ls dot index of 3, ls dot index of 3 means 3 at which position? Fifth position. Okay, 1 2 3 4, okay, sorry, 0 1 2 3 4 5. At the fifth position 3 is available, first occurrence. Okay, so we will get 5. Next, print of ls dot index. Okay, ls dot index of 4. So observe here, in this case the element which is not there. Okay, element 4 is not available in this index. In this case we are going to get error. Okay, in this case we are going to get error saying value error. Observe the output 0 1 5 and value error. Okay, 0 1 5 and value error. Okay, this is the thing I want to explain as part of indexing. Okay, this is the thing I want to explain as part of indexing. So if the specified element is not present in the list, then we will get a value error. Okay, if we observe here, if the specified element is not present in the list, then we will get value error. So hence, before using index method, we have to check whether item present in the list or not by using in operator. Okay, so to prevent this problem, see, first point here, what I will write one point. If the element is, okay, if the element is available, the element is available, if the element is available, it is going to return the first occurrence. First occurrence. If it is not available, 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 we will get value error. We'll get value error. Okay. So here last point note. So to prevent the problem when the value is not available in the index, to prevent the problem, to prevent the above problem, that means, that is, if the element not available, not available, not available, first we have to check, we have to check whether whether specified, okay, whether specified element, okay, whether specified element is available or not by using in operator, by using in operator, by using in operator, so that problem will get resolved, problem will get resolved. That means what I'm saying here is, I'm commenting the last one. I want to ask the element first print 4. Okay, 4 means I'm asking in the next means 4 in ls. Okay, so first it is going to check, it's going to check whether element is available or not. So 4 is not available in the list, so we will get a false. Okay, we will get a false. Observe, will get false. So by using this way we can resolve the problem. So observe here, if 4 in ls, okay, 4 in ls, 4 in ls means then only we can ask the element. Okay, then only we can ask the element ls dot index of 4. Okay, anyway 4 is not available, so we'll get false condition, it will not execute. But observe here, I'm giving else block, so false is not there, false coming means print 4 is not available, 4 is not available in the 4 is not available in the given list, 4 is not available in the given list. See, 4 is not available in the given list. So this is the way we can find the elements by using index. Okay, today we observed that um, today we observed that important functions of a list. So first one is a length function, second one is a count function, and the third one is a indexing. Okay, index means this is the way. Clear, right? So in the next session, I'm going to explain about manipulating elements of a list. So manipulating elements of list means in the starting when I have explained the list concept, one point I have explained. Did you remember or not? Cross check once. List is dynamic. Okay, list is dynamic. Based on our requirement, we can increment or decrement the size. Okay, list manipulation function. This concept I am going to explain in the next session. Okay, thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email id in the given description. Okay, thank you.